Okay, your one-stop photo and video shop. Once you see this, it's about to go down. So finally, we decided to take a step ahead and got one of the items that is really required for our journey. And this is my baby. I was referred this by a friend. So, and I've watched several videos, the hype and everything. We want to see if it's worth it. But from the videos that I've seen so far, I think it's something worth trying. So let's unbox it together. It's called Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. Let's see what we got. This one should be a little bit down. Yeah. So we'll open together. The hype of having something new, it just feels, it feels amazing to unbox. Okay, where do I go from here? So this is how it looks like. This is the charging case. Incredible. Put it aside, come back later. This is the USB lightning receiver. If you have an iPhone from, I think, iPhone 13, 12, 11, this is good for you. And the other one, also it's another USB. This is a Type-C receiver. Then there's another docket down there. Wow, I love the packaging. Of course, we discard this. And we have the drawstring bag. Very demure, nice. That's amazing. Okay, let's see what we got inside here. And then we have this cable. I think it's the TRS cable, if I'm not wrong. And then again we have another cable, USB. I think it's A. This one, big one, A and C. Again, Type-C. This one. Yeah, I'm not wrong. And let's see what else we have. What is this? Wow, nice. And then we have furry windshield. These are for the mics. Okay. There too. There's something else. And there's a, what is this? There's a silicone necklace. They're magnetic. Oh my god. Something just fell down. It's okay. Come into this. It's perfect. So put them aside and let's open it in case we see what is inside. Amazing. This is the charging case. Amazing. Wow. You see? Then we have the small transmitters, the mics. And we have, if I'm not wrong, there's a camera receiver. So if you have a camera, you don't have to worry about nothing. Oh my god, that's how is it supposed to be? Okay. Wow. It's small. We're gonna give it a test and we see how it is. It comes with a magnet. Nice. And it has noise cancellation also. You can just press over here. So we'll try one and see how it goes. There we go. It's already in place. Tell me in the comment section if you can feel some difference with the quality of the audio. Still trying to adjust because it has 3 levels. There's level 1, level 2, level 3, and let's see.